We're going to explain how to deserialize a JSON string using the org.json library in Java. This means taking a JSON string and converting it into usable Java objects. We'll cover the process step by step. 1. Include the library. First, you need to add the org.json library to your project. If you're using Maven, add this dependency to your pom.xml. Dependency group id.org.json, group id artifact a JSON, artifact id version 2023-027 version dependency. If you're using Gradle, add this to your build Gradle, implementation org.json, JSON 2023-0227. Remember to replace 2023-0227 with the latest version if needed. After adding the dependency, rebuild your project to make sure it's correctly included. 2. The JSON string. Let's assume you have a JSON string like this. String JSON string equal by file name play, by John Doe, by age plus 30, var city, var New York, there. This represents a simple object with 3 fields, name, age, and city. 3. Creating a JSON object. The core of Deserialization with org.json involves using the JSON object class. We create a JSON object instance from our JSON string using JSON object is a new JSON object JSON string. This parses the JSON string and creates a JSON object representing its structure. 4. Accessing data. Now you can access the data within the JSON object. You use the getString, getInt, getDouble, or other appropriate methods based on the data type. For example, to get the name, you'd write string name JSON object getString name. Similarly, int age equals JSON object getInt age gets the age and string city JSON object getString cities. The key inside the getString and other getter methods is the name of the JSON field, e.g., name, age. 5. Handling errors. It's good practice to include error handling. For instance, if a key isn't found, getString will throw a JSON exception. To avoid this, you can use a try-catch block. Try flash string name equal JSON object getString name. Catch JSON exception e system.r println error accessing JSON data plus e get message. 6. More complex JSON. For more complex JSON structures involving arrays or nested objects, you'll use JSON array to handle arrays and recursively use JSON object for nested objects. For example, if you have a JSON array, you access its elements using JSON array equals JSON object get JSON array myArray, and then loop through it using a for loop, accessing each element using JSON array.getJSON object I. 7. Printing the result. Finally, you can print out the extracted data to verify your deserialization was successful. For example, systemout.println name plus age plus city plus city. This will print the extracted information from the JSON string to your console. Remember to handle potential exceptions appropriately throughout your code.